Hello, guys. I received another question. Someone asked the question, what's the difference between stock value and market value? Because I think he's investing and maybe he has read books or he go online and he find a lot of information about stock value or especially those people who do investing and they give these IDs. Okay? Now, these IDs in general, they are only expectations from investors. I will tell you an example to understand. For example, Warren Buffett, when he took companies, he tried just to see if this company can grow, and whatever is the price in this company, let's say $50 or $20 or $100, it can grow in the future. It is just because it has a lot of potential, and it could be, if it is 100, it could be 200 or $300. This is the basic thing. It's just an idea. Now, there is no sure thing. If there is a sure thing about what we call value investing, or like Warren Buffett, all the people will be billionaires like Warren Buffett. But understand that when you speak about this guy or other guys, there is only one guy who always speak about value investing. Okay? Have you ever seen other people spoke about this? No. All the people, like Warren Buffett, all the people who bought stocks, even they are stupidest person on earth, they have been making a lot of millions, and some of them are billionaires, and they will never show in TV or something. It's just because there is a big movement. In order to understand this, go to the chart, see the 50s, how much the stocks were in the 50s. If you buy at that time $10,000, let's say $10,000, how much you will have now? You will see that you will become not just a millionaire, but maybe a billionaire. Understand that this guy Warren Buffett, he didn't buy like us, like investors for now. Let's buy 100 shares from this company and wait 10 years or 20 years. No. The people who don't understand what Warren Buffett have done, he has bought parts of a company. He bought 10% of the company. Now you here, are you able to buy 10% of Twitter or Facebook, or they are just new companies? Can you buy that? You told me no, I can't. So why you are talking about investing? Don't compare yourself about someone who has been living in the 50s. Now we are in 2016. Those who know Warren Buffett a lot, when they see how much money he began with and how the market was doing, it's not him, it's the market. If you go to the market, everybody who bought in the 50s and 60s companies, almost all companies, you will make money for sure. You just see history. So it's not only him, it's all the people who have invested in the 50s and 60s. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just go to the chart and look at it. Someone now, he's saying, oh, because Warren Buffett now, or not just Warren Buffett, anyone else who has billions of dollars, it's just because he knows these companies will be valuable. No, he doesn't know. He just prospect. He just analyze the company and say, okay, let's say, for example, Coca-Cola. Now, why Warren Buffett bought it? Because it was an energetic company. the sales are so much, and there is no real competition, and it's growing each year. It's growing, and he sees that, he said that this company, if I buy it now, in 10 years, 20 years, I will make money from it. But when he wants to buy Coca-Cola, did he buy like you? $100, 100 shares, 200 shares, 1,000 shares. Did he buy 1,000 shares? He bought millions of shares, man. He is not like you, and he will never be like you. So stop. These people are, I get nervous when the people speak about value investing, and they begin to. If you don't have money, how you invest? People who invest, they have money to invest. If you don't have money, how can you invest? You invest with $10, $20, as they say to you, and they take fees for your money, and they put it in the market, and the market doesn't do nothing, and you lose money. Okay? I am not going to discourage people to do investing but try to be realistic, and try to be logical, and try to understand how things is working. Now, this guy is asking me, I don't want to understand the market price, because I see the market price, for example, for any stock, it's what you see. But I want the stock value or the company value compared to the. I say, man, I have no idea about what you are talking about. For me, here is the thing. I don't do investing in general, although I invest, but I don't do like the other people do. For me, when there is an opportunity to buy a stock, I see the opportunity, I buy. I don't care about the company value, or in the future what you will do, or I don't care. Okay? Because if the people know, if someone tells you I know, he is a liar, because no one knows. Let's say tomorrow we have a sell-off in the market, and then the market goes into a downtrend for 1 year or 2 or 3. Okay? All these people who said something, they are wrong, because they can't control. You can't control the market with your words, prediction or whatever. Okay? So for those who want to dig into this company value and the stock the stock price or the market price, and they want to find clues, okay, just have some books and read, and whatever you're understanding, you just do and practice. Okay? But for me here, I don't believe in this stuff. I don't believe. Now, when I say, for example, before I said, for example, an example, I said Facebook, it should be going to 100. This is what I like. I say this when the stock is 19.99. Those people who are following me from 2012, you can see my videos, and I say it's an opportunity to buy. Okay? It is just my opinion. I think that because I see the company, it might be going up, and it's very famous. Just an idea. Okay? Because how do people make money? Just because their opinion. You have an opinion that it is different from others. Okay? Facebook was going down from $42. It goes to $17.55. Now, when it's going down, all the analysts was against. But for me, I wasn't against Facebook. And all the people at that time, it's in 2012, they were commenting. When I was just beginning my videos, they were commenting, and they say no, because they see the price, and they get influenced by analysts, what they say, because they want you to sell, and all the people in the market sell. Now, when the market is going down, it goes to $17.55. The big guys, they begin to buy. It's a strategy they do always. They ask you to buy, to sell. Now, when all the market is sold off after a few months, it's a plan they made. And these guys, I'm not saying they hold or they control the market. Yes, they can move the market. That's why it's in their interest when they say to you, sell. Now, if they are selling, they ask you to buy. And you see everywhere. Okay? You go online and you see, buy this, buy this, buy this. This mutual fund has done 50% last year. Buy it. It's excellent. If you get 50% each year, you will be a billionaire or a millionaire next year or 10 years or 5 years. The people, they are naive. They don't understand what's going on in the market. So they just go and buy, and the others are selling. The big guys are selling. Now you say to me, how do you know this? I see the price. Man, I don't listen to anyone than myself. And to the chart. I look at the chart. If I like what I see, I get a signal, I buy. If I don't like the chart, whatever you told me, even you told me Warren Buffett tomorrow he will be buying this company, I will never buy. It's just, I am an independent trader. I don't look what all the people think about a stock or a company, or I don't care. What I care about is how I myself choose according to my signals, according to my criteria that I made through my experience. I don't care about the others, what they do. Because if I make money, let's say for Twitter, this time I make money and there is a gap up and I make money. Okay? Some of my friends, they have done the same, and I hope they didn't sell and they make money. And maybe they sell when they sold with the gap up. Okay, we have made more money. I don't care how the other people who said no, don't buy Twitter or sell Twitter, or I don't care about these people. Okay, I don't care. What we are doing here is to follow opportunities in the market. When there is an opportunity, we buy. When there is no, we don't. People who are following market value because they have read in books and because Warren Buffett have done it, or because other people have done it, okay, if you are following them, try to do the same them and hope you succeed and you make millions of dollars or billions of dollars. But believe me, if you have $10 a month, you put it in the stock market and you think that you become like Warren Buffett, and they told you can, just calculate it, just put it in. You have a calculator and put $10 in 1 year, and then in 10 years, even if it is doubled or tripled, you are not making any money. Okay? Understand this. You should try to develop this skill of calculation. You calculate things when you are doing investment or when you are doing trading. Calculate things. This is a normal thing. Okay? Normal thing that you can calculate and you can see. You will never know what the market will give you, but understand there is limits. Warren Buffett, when he bought Coca-Cola or Geico or other companies, I didn't read all these companies that he bought. Okay? How much he buy? Did he buy $10 and waited 10 years or 20 years buying $10, and he become billionaire? Warren Buffett, when he wants to buy, even in the 50s, he bought part of the company. Understand that it is not 100 shares or 1,000 share of a company. He bought part. It means 10% of the whole company. Understand that. Some people, they don't understand what I'm saying. Although I repeat it. That's why one guy told me, oh, you always repeat. Yes, I repeat because the people, they don't understand. So that's why I'm teaching. If a teacher says something only once and the students, they get it, I would never say it. But when people, they send me emails and they see trouble in what they do, I will make other videos and explain more and more and more until the people realize that they do something wrong and they should correct it in order to make money in the market. The market is not just magical, just with stupid things. You can make money with $500 you become a millionaire in 1 month or 1 year. You know, you should understand these things, and you are adults and you have your own thinking, and you shouldn't be naive to this level. Okay, so for those who are doing investing and value investing, if they believe or there is a way to measure this thing, it's okay. You just do what you want to do and continue reading books and do value trading and put whatever money you have in companies, and you might succeed in the future. Okay? Now, for me, I don't believe in these things, value of the company, and it is just a perception of the investor. The investor, when a company is new, for example, let's say Twitter. He say Twitter now is 22. What do you think if next year it goes to 50 or to 70 or to 100? What do you think? He said, yeah, it's an opportunity. He buys. He buys because it's just the way he thinks that things could be going. Either he has reasons or he has no reasons. He just do it. If he succeeds, he succeeds. If he doesn't succeed, he lost, like millions of people who get wrong and lost some money. You are not always right. You should understand that. If you are always right, it means you know the future, and no one knows the future. I'm telling you, don't bother searching. I'm telling you, period. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. If you have more questions, just ask, and I will try to give you my opinion. If you like it, you do it. If you don't like it, you search elsewhere, and thank you very much.